Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
For your makeup to look seamless and put together, there's only one thing that you need to do: blend. Now, you may have the best of the products, but if you don't blend your makeup incorrectly, it is going to look sloppy. But I'm here to the rescue. I have a few tricks up my sleeve that will help you blend your makeup like a pro. Use a damp sponge to blend in harsh foundation or blush lines. The moisture in the sponge will help lift up any excess product sitting on the skin. Use a big fluffy brush to blend out your eyeshadow. It will not only make sure that it looks seamless, but will also smoothen out any patches or harsh lines. When using a mix of powder and cream products, it's good to set your cream product with some powder. All that you need to do is take a big fluffy powder brush with some little product on it and then just take it over your blush and contour shades to blend them easily. Your fingers are far easier to control than a brush, and they work amazingly well for cream products since the heat from your body warms up the product and helps blend it in easily. Use a dome-shaped brush and always blend upwards when it comes to blush or highlighter. It automatically lifts up your face and is a trick that professionals use all the time. Take your time, keep practicing, and remember that blending is the first and the most important step to achieve that flawless look. Also, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. You know that the POPxo shop is live now, so you can get amazing cushion covers, laptop sleeves, mugs, phone covers, and a lot many exciting things. Just click on the link in the description box below. And for more product reviews and makeup tips, don't forget to tune into POPxo Beauty. Bye.